Hello friends, welcome to Abhinav Goswami Law classes. So friends, in this video we are going to discuss a very important section, section 7 of Indian Contract Act. So friends, as far as section 7 is concerned, it provides a very important clarification as far as contract rules are concerned. It says in absolute terms that acceptance must always be absolute. Okay, so what is the consequence of this? You need to understand. In order to, I'm going to read the section first. In order to convert a proposal into a promise. So we have already learned that when proposal plus acceptance, they come together, a promise comes into existence, right? In order to convert a proposal into a promise, the acceptance must, not should, must means in all cases, first be absolute and unqualified. Very, very important rule that you must embed in your mind. That acceptance in all cases must be absolute and unqualified. There should be no ifs and no buts as far as acceptance are concerned. You should be agreeing to the proposal absolutely and unqualifiedly. Okay, so what is the consequence of this? So for example, this person A, who is proposing, who is making a proposal, he is saying that I will do A, B, C for you, and in return you will do D, E and F for me. This is a proposal, right? So in consequence, if this person B wants to accept this proposal, he also has to agree that okay, I will do D, E, F for you and you will do A, B, C for me. There should be absolute sameness between proposal and acceptances. It can't be like that. If the offer was that I will do ABC for you and you do DEF for me, the acceptance can't be like that. I will do GHI for you and you do ABCDE for me. No, it can't happen. It has to be the proposal and the acceptance have to be identical. There should be no difference between the subject matter. That is the reason if there is a proposal, the acceptance should be in the same terms, in absolutely and unqualified. Very, very important. Okay, so this is the first rule that is coming out of section 7, that it has to be absolute and unqualified, and we are talking of acceptance. Okay, now as far as the second part is concerned, subsection second is concerned, it is providing you the way how should you accept the acceptance. There are two ways of accepting an acceptance, right? What are those two ways? Be expressed in some usual or reasonable manner, unless the proposal prescribes the manner in which it is to be accepted. If the proposal prescribes a manner in which it is to be accepted and the acceptance is not made in such manner, the proposer may, within a reasonable time after the acceptance is communicated to him, insist that his proposal shall be accepted in the prescribed manner and not otherwise. But if he fails to do so, he accepts the acceptance. Okay, so as far as subsection 2 is concerned, it is providing that there can be two kind of circumstances. The first circumstances may be that there is a proposal, but it does not mention any specific manner in which there should be acceptance. Okay, there is no specific manner that is provided in which acceptance should be communicated, right? So in such cases, when no specific manner is provided by the proposal, then it can be accepted in a usual or reasonable manner. What is usual? Usual means which is generally followed, the generally followed practice in that category of proposals, in that category of contracts. What is reasonable? Which a particular person will consider, considering the nature of the proposal, considering the relation of the parties, considering the distance between the parties. Okay, so if there is no specific manner of acceptance provided in proposal, it can be accepted in a usual or reasonable manner. But complication arises when the proposal specifies a particular manner in which it has to be accepted. If the proposal specifies the manner in which it has to be accepted, then the acceptor has to follow that procedure. He is bound to do so, right? Only then it will be said that he has accepted the proposal. But very important, but even if the acceptor does not accept the proposal in the manner in which the proposal provided, did not follow the same procedure as provided by the proposal, even in such cases the duty is given, or the duty is on the proposer. If the proposer has received an acceptance from B, but the acceptance is not in the manner in which which was provided by the proposal, then it is, in that case, the obligation is on this person, the proposer, to communicate back to B and say that as you have not accepted my proposal in the manner in which I provided, I will not accept this acceptance. So the duty on this person A, the proposer, he has to go back to B and say that no, I am not accepting this proposal as you have not followed this procedure. And if A does not do so, even after receiving wrong kind of acceptance, then it will be presumed that he has accepted that acceptance. And even though it did not follow that procedure, A has agreed to it and A has accepted the acceptance. Okay, this is what section 2 is, subsection 2 is providing. What was the thing that it provided? First, that if the proposal does not specify any specific manner, then it has to be accepted in usual or reasonable manner. Very simple. But if it specifies a specific manner in which it has to be accepted, then the acceptor is bound to accept it in that manner. And if he does not do so and send that acceptance to the proposer without following that procedure, then it is the duty of the proposer to go back to B, go back to acceptor and deny that I am not going to accept your acceptance because you have not followed the procedure. And if A, even after accepting the wrong kind of acceptance, does not do so, does not take objection, then he will be bound by this acceptance. Okay, friends? So as far as section 7 is concerned, we came to know the first thing, that the acceptance must be absolute and unqualified. And by subsection 2, we understood the manner in which a particular acceptance has to be accepted depending on what are the terms of the proposal. Okay, whether it is providing a specific manner of acceptance or not. So friends, I hope you understood section 7. I tried my best to do that. And if you want to appreciate my efforts, friends, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want to connect with me on Telegram, the invitation link to my Telegram group is in description to the video. Until then, friends, be safe, be happy. I will see you very soon. Bye-bye.